Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, myself Omkar Sanjay Rakone. I am a student of first year computer engineering from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. Me and my group members have made a project to access weather report and conditions by using Python language. Our project name is Weather Forecasting System. My group members are Syed Abdul Hamid Aslam, Raut Akshay Sanjay, Savant Kalyani Vikas, Ayinkar Ram Anil, and we have performed this project under the guidance of Professor Purnima Kavade ma'am. So, weather forecasting is the prediction of the state of the atmosphere for a given location using the application of science and technology. This includes temperature, rain, cloudiness, wind speed, and humidity. Weather warnings are a special kind of short-range forecast carried out for the protection of human life. This module explains the details of weather forecasting. So, in our code, we have used request module. Now, what is a request module? It is a library which helps in fetching the data with the help of URL. It can be installed using the below command pip install request. Now, one of our group members, Abdul, will explain the coding part of our project.
So let's begin. As you know, our project name is Weather Forecasting System. Now, in this code, we have import request module. After that, the code asks the user to enter the city name, and after the user has entered the city name, it will show the current temperature of the city, the current pressure of the city, and the current humidity of the city. As you can see, this is our code written. If in case the user did not enter any city name, the code will print city not found. So now let's run the program and see what's the result. As you can see, it's showing me enter city name. So I will put here Pune. Oh, boom. See, here temperature is 299 Kelvin, atmospheric pressure is 1008, humidity is 73, and the description is overcast clouds. This is our code.
Here's the end of the project. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.